Okay, so welcome to this video where we are going to solve a question on symmetric matrices. Okay, so by definition we know that if a matrix A is symmetric, okay, then A will be equals to A transpose, like that. Okay, so we can use this concept here to find the value of x, y, and z given that A is this matrix and it's symmetric. Okay, so we are going to say A, which is 7 minus 6, 2x, y, z, minus 2, x, minus 2, 5. Okay, so this is our matrix A. We're going to say this here is equals to the transpose of A. So the transpose of A, it means we are interchanging the columns and the rows. Okay, so this here is our first row. It becomes a column here. So it will be 7 minus 6 2x. Okay, and then we have this second row becoming the second column. So it will be y, z, minus 2. And then this third row becomes the third column. So it will be x minus 2, 5. Okay, so this here is the matrix that we have on the right hand side. So we can use this information to find the value of what? X, y, and z. So let's start with the x there. So with the x, we can start with this, we equate it to that. Okay, or this x, we equate it to this. Okay, so we have 2x is equals to x. Okay, so we can take the x's to the same side, so it will be 2x minus x is just equals to 0. So meaning x here will just be equals to what? 0. Okay, so we'll find our value of x to be equals to 0. Then let's find the value of y. Okay, so to find the value of y, we're going to equate this y to the minus 6, okay, or this y here to the minus 6. So we see that our y is simply what? Minus 6. And then the z, okay, the z there, it's also a z there. Okay, so this means that z is equals to z where z is any number. Okay, so you can just say where z is equals to where z is a member of the real numbers there. Okay, so for this z you can pick any number, okay, because it's in the main diagonal there, so you can pick any number. Okay, so our answers is x is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 6, and z is equals to what? Z, where this z is a member of real numbers. Okay, so that's all for this question, and then we go to the next one. We are still using the same concept. Okay, so in this case, this is our matrix A here. Okay, and they're saying this matrix is symmetric, so meaning A is equals to what? A transpose. Okay, so let's write A and equate it to the transpose of A. So I'm going to say 2A minus 2B plus 2C, 2A plus B plus C, and then we have 3, 5A plus C, and then we have 0 minus 2, 7. Okay, so this is our matrix A. Let's equate it to the transpose. Okay, so the transpose, it means we are shifting, okay, the rows to the columns. So this is the first row, it becomes a column here, so it will be 2, and then I have A minus 2B plus 2C, and then 2A plus B plus C. Okay, then this here is my second row, it becomes a column here, so you have 3, 5, and then A plus C. This one here is my third row, it becomes a column here, you have 0 minus 2, 7. Okay, so from this now we can equate some of these things. Okay, we can equate some of these things. Okay, okay, so what are we going to do here? We are just going to equate okay, so minus 2 we can equate it to a plus c. So we are going to say a plus c is equals to what? Minus 2. And then another equation that we can get from here, okay, is that 2a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so 2a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Okay, and then another equation that we can get is that is that a minus 2b plus 2c is equals to what? 3. So I'm going to write a minus 2b plus 2c is equals to what? 3. And then from there we can solve these questions here simultaneously. Okay, so let's make c the subject here. Okay, so we're going to say c is equals to minus 2 minus a. Okay, so wherever there's c in this and this guy, we're going to replace minus 2 minus a. So I'm going to write 2a plus b. Okay, and then where there's c here, I'll write minus 2 minus a is equals to 0. And then from this equation to be a minus 2b, then plus 2, where there's c there, I'm going to write minus 2 minus a. And then this is equals to what? 3. Okay, so we can simplify this equation here. It will be 2a minus a, which will just be a plus b, and then we take this minus 2 to the other side to be equals 2. And then here we can also simplify a minus 2b minus 4 minus 2a is equals to what? 3. Okay, so it means here we are going to have what? We're going to have minus a minus 2b being equals to, this minus 4 goes to the other side and becomes a what? A 7. Okay, so we can now solve this equation here and this one simultaneously. Okay, so let's clean up the top part. Okay, so we have a plus b is equals to 2, and then we have minus a minus 2b is equal to what? 7. So let's make a the subject here. Okay, let's make the subject a there. So it's going to be a is equals to, okay, minus 2b and then minus 7. So wherever there's a, we are going to put this expression here. So I'm going to write here. So where there's a here, I'm going to write minus 2b minus 7 plus b is equals to 2. Okay, so minus b plus b is going to give me minus b is equals to 2 plus 7. Okay, so this means that minus b will just be equals to 9. Okay, and this gives us b is equals to what? Minus 9. So this here is what we have as the value of b, and then we can use it to find the value of a. Okay, so remember a is just equals to minus 2b minus 7. So I'm going to write minus 2 multiplied by minus 9 and then minus 7. So this is going to be 18 minus 7, which will just be what? 11. Okay, so our a is 11, our b is minus 9. Okay, and then from this a we can find the value of what? C. So let's create some space. Okay, so we are going to say c is equals to minus 2 minus a. So this will be minus 2 minus 11. Okay, so this will be minus what? 13. So we found the three values. Okay, we found the values of a, b, and c. So the value of a is equals to 11, and then b is equals to minus 9, and then c is equals to what? Minus 13. So that's how you solve this question here. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.